Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to save Google Docs to files on Android. First, open Google Docs app. After that, select the file which you want to save. So this is my project, I want to save it. For that, just select the project. After that, tap on these three dots at the top right corner. Then we need to click on share and export. Now from this list, we need to click on save as and then choose the format you want to save your project. So I want to save it in PDF, that's why I'll select this option, then click on OK. Now it will start saving your project. Once it's saved, we need to click on this download icon, click on it, and then it will redirect you to Google Chrome. Now we just have to set our file name, choose the destination where you want to download it, and then click on download, and the file will be downloaded on your files app. Now we just have to go back to the home screen, then open your file explorer. After that, go to the location where you saved your file. I saved it in my documents. I need to open it, and there you go, you can see the project has been downloaded here. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.